Hey buddy, how's it going?
Good morning, mate.
Good morning.
So here we are, Byron Bay. About to jump out of an airplane up there, 4,000 metres. How you feeling, bud?
Shitting myself.
Shitting yourself. Well, at least you're honest, eh?
Only for the last 2 months.
But it's all right, mate.
And I was here yesterday as well. I got called off on the last one.
So you almost got there.
I was harnessed up, ready to go. Plane came down, said that's it. We're done for the day. So another 24 hours of pain.
It's a good thing, mate. We're here. It's got to be safe. And I'll tell you what, we've got a beautiful day out there tonight.
Cool.
You ready to go?
Ready to go.
All right, mate. Up here. Let's do it.
Cheers, buddy.
Yoo-hoo. Yeah, buddy! Take those goggles off, come on.
Oh, man.
Yeah, brother. How was that? Mate, you're amazing.
Seriously, I'm going to remember this day for the rest of my life. Absolutely stunning.
You did a sensational job there, my friend. Thanks for coming here at Byron Bay. Up here.
Take it easy, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. Together. One more high five. Yeah!